Okay, so we're going to be changing this basin tap today. First things we need to do is turn off the water supply, which is underneath here. You've got isolation valves here, so if you can turn these horizontal. Might be a little bit stiff. You can check if the water's off by just turning the tap on, and that's off now. But once you've done that, you can then start by disconnecting these off here. Also, if you have a look at the back, you can see that this tap is connected, or actually held onto the sink by these two little bolts here, and we're going to be using a Tapex kit to take these out. Yeah, so this is a Tapex kit. So what we're going to be doing is seeing which size is required for this first. So just put this on here and have a look and see if this fits. Yeah, so this is the size we're going to be using. We're going to have to use this bit on the edge so that we can get in on a different angle. And then we can get in and we can turn this. Once that's been disconnected from underneath and that's been taken out, this then can be just pulled straight up and out on the tap itself. Now, because this has got nuts on the bottom, we're going to either have to cut through this, or let's see if we can just undo it. So this has been supplied by the customer. I believe it's an Amazon special. And all we're here to do is fit this tap itself. You can see it's a monobloc again. So we can just double check the size that we need. I'm going to start placing these through the hole. we need to do is then put these on the correct ones. So I expect that the left is hot and the right is cold. If not, you can always change them over. Once that's been done, you can then just turn on the isolation valves, double check you've got your hot and your cold the right way around, and job's done. You can check for any leaks underneath. These are dry them off, and then it'll give you a chance to have a look for any leaks, especially these connections that you've done at the top. And that's it. If you want to see more of this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.